film actress Zesty Zeenat Aman turned 70 today. She came like a bolt of lightning in 1972 and simply redrew the role of the Hindi film heroine. I, Dinesh Raheja, am tracing the personal and professional story of pathbreaker Zeenat Aman. Consider her roles. She was the drugged out flower child of Devanand's Hare Rama, Hare Krishna. She was the adulteress who wanted to do away with a wheelchair-bound nasty husband, played by Danny Denzongpa with aplomb in B.R. Chopra's Dhund. She was the happy hooker of Manoranjan in love with a policeman, Sanjeev Kumar. A happy hooker was a first in Hindi films. The film was directed by Shami Kapoor, the rebel star of the 60s. Zeenat was the ambitious career woman of Shakti Samanta's Ajnabi, who defies her husband Rajesh Khanna to pursue a career in modeling. She was the gold digger who ditches her lover Manoj Kumar to marry Mr. Moneybag Shashi Kapoor in Roti Kapda Aur Makan. Despite her undiluted westernization and libertine lifestyle, Zeenat rocked the Hindi film industry. When her Hindu mother's marriage to the Muslim film writer Aman broke up, Zeenat was sent to St. Joseph's boarding school in Panchgani. Incidentally, her father Aman was one of the dialogue writers of K. Asif's epic hit, the quasi-historical Mughal-e-Azam. Academically accomplished, Zeenat was the head girl of her class and even went to Los Angeles on a scholarship at 17. Acquiring tang and twang, when she returned to India, she won the Miss Asia Pacific beauty pageant. Encouraged by her mother, the bedrock of her life, Zeenat took up modeling. She signed on for a bit role in family friend O.P. Ralan's Halchal, but went unnoticed, like the film. Thereafter, Devanand signed her to play the tormented hippie in his second directorial venture, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna. I consider it as one of the best roles Zeenat ever did. B.R. Chopra's Insaf Ka Tarazu comes a close second. In Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Zeenat was perfectly cast as Janice, the girl blowing away her youth in drugs as she seeks payback for a stolen childhood. The nation pulsed to an avalanche of hit songs, Dam Maro Dam, Chura Liya Hai Tumne Jo Dil Ko, Hai Hai Ye Majboori, and Aap Jaisa Koi Meri Zindagi Mein Aaye. She could afford not to care a fig for the convention of society. She had a fabulous figure and she had no qualms about revealing it. While Sharmila Tagore balanced her sexy avatar in An Evening in Paris with the simple and reserved sari-clad heroine in Anupama, Zeenat did not try to change her image, and she was the antithesis of all that Hema Malini stood for. Zeenat was ambitious. She left her mentor Devanand and set her sights on the RK camp. She landed the much coveted role in Raj Kapoor's Satyam Shivam Sundaram, made in 1978, by turning up at his cottage in a village belle's dress and with makeup suggesting a burn on half her face. The film's boldness became the cause celebrate, as Zeenat willingly accepted Kapoor's pandering to the audience's fascination with physical intimacy. She even gamely agreed to participate in a kissing scene with Shashi Kapoor. It was Raj Kapoor's decision to reintroduce the kiss to the Hindi screen. Histrionically, however, the early promise was now drowned in commercial vapidity. The critics sharpened their knives on her after Satyam Shivam Sundaram. The presence of clones like Parveen Babi and Tina Munim and her unhappy association with the married Sanjay Khan made a further dent in her fan following. But a competent performance in Insaf Ka Tarazu in 1980 as a rape victim challenging the judicial system and demanding justice for her also raped younger sister Padmini Kolhapure resulted in a renewed interest in her career. With a fresh string of hits like Kurbani, Dostana and Lawaris, she continued to remain head and bare shoulders above the rest of the mod squad.
अरे इतना गुस्सा क्यों हो रही है?
मुझे क्यों गुस्सा आएगा?
अच्छा, अगर इस मीनाक्षी के बारे में मैं आपको एक बात बता दूं, तो आपका गुस्सा अभी के अभी खत्म हो जाएगा.
But the strain was beginning to show, so in 1986, Zeenat chose to wrap up her career and concentrated her energies on her husband, actor-director Mazhar Khan. When the proud mother of two sons appears in public today, She is decorously draped in salwar kameezes. After a glorious chapter as a taboo trasher, Zeenat is now enjoying her sunset years as a mother and resting on her well-deserved past laurels.
जैसा कोई मेरी जिंदगी में आए तो बात बन जाए
Subscribe to the Rockpedia YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates.